Hello again. This standard is D5, ASTM D5, and it covers the penetration grade of asphalt binder. So I'm just gonna go through the steps required to measure the penetration grade. Now, make sure that your temperature or the condition of your asphalt binder is set at 25 degrees Celsius. And you're gonna put an extra weight of 50 grams and having the weight of the drop needle as 50 grams. Therefore, we have a total weight of 100 grams dropping. Okay. Now, our first step is to take some isopropyl alcohol and make sure that our standard needle is clean and free of debris and previous asphalt. Okay, and make sure the needle is dry. Now we take our drop hammer or our drop weight and we place the needle inside. Make sure it's tightly locked. Okay, and now we just raise our jig just to insert our sample. We have to make sure not to bend the needle. And we put our asphalt sample, that's our asphalt binder sample. And using the jig, we align the tip of the needle with the surface. Now that could be done easily by seeing the reflection of the needle on the asphalt binder. There you go, just a little, and we are just on the surface there. Okay. Now, an important thing to do before starting the test is to make sure the gauge is at the 0 dial. Or another way to do that is use the initial starting point and subtract it from your final penetration grade. Okay. Now this bath is set at 25 degrees Celsius. We have our drop weight of 100 grams. Okay, 50 plus the 50 grams of the drop weight, and we have our needle, and we're gonna penetrate the asphalt binder for the amount of 5 seconds. Now, you make sure you have your stopwatch. And we set it at 5 seconds. Now, your precision of any stopwatch you're using, if it's an analog stopwatch, you have to have it in the precision of 0.1 seconds. While in any electronic stopwatch, you should have it beat every 0.5 seconds at least. Now, as soon as I start dropping the weight, I should start the time and stop it and take the reading at 5 seconds. So let's do it now. In 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're at 5 seconds. We push down the dial and take the reading. Now our penetration grade is 70. And you should take this to the nearest 1/10 of a millimeter. And it's 70 sharp. This was D5, ASTM D5 for asphalt binder testing of penetration grade. Thank you for watching.